We've had some really interesting chats, some areas of Wales that we were having difficulty with engaging with. We managed to already crack that nut, so to speak, and like many organisations, we need to find additional income streams, and with a bit of luck we found one or two today.
Ni wedi cael lot o sgwrsiau diddorol gyda mudiadau eraill a mae'n dda hefyd clywed am beth mae grwpiau eraill yn neud er mwyn o bosib gallu cydweithio a sefydlu partneriaethau ar gyfer y dyfodol.
We had a good turnout at our session. We've got another session this afternoon and we've got the stand here, so I think the boys have had some good leads from the stand, plenty of interest. I think the screen sort of draws people in.
It's my first visit, so I didn't really know what to expect, but it's been absolutely fabulous. It's been really, really busy.
We've had some really, really good contacts. We've had potential volunteers. We've had people come up to us and just thank us. And just as important, we've had conversations of people that don't know who we are and don't know what we do. So that's been really good as well.
So ni moyn creu rhwydwaith o sefydliadau a prosiectau dros Cymru, felly mae'n cyfle wych i byd dyn ni'n medru gweld cyfle gorau'r calendar i ddod a just siarad â bobl o fewn y sector gwirfoddoli.